Hi dear students, welcome back to session 16. Yes, in the previous session we have discussed up to 23 question in 9.3 exercise. Yes, today I am going to discuss the remaining questions in the same exercise. Okay, and also some little bit concept is there. Today's session is one of the very important session. Yes, now I will start from question number 14. Listen carefully. Show that the ratio of the sum of the first n terms of a GP, the ratios of the sum of the first n terms of the GP to the sum of the term from n plus 1th term to 2nth term is 1 by r power of n. As what is our target? As prove that 1 by r power of n anta prove ಮಾಡಬೇಕ್ರಿ. So what is the GP can be written as AR square, listen carefully, as AR square up to so on A into R power of n minus 1. Yes, what is the first thing? Show that the ratio of the sum of the first n terms of a GP. The ratio of the sum of the first n term means the GP can be written as AR square, AR cube up to so on A into R power of n minus 1. Sum means is adding A plus AR square into plus AR cube plus up to so on A into R power of n minus 1. Okay, A into R power of n minus 1. Okay, yes, right ma. Show that the ratio of the, okay, you first write sum of the first n terms of a GP. First n terms of a GP means A plus AR square plus A into R cube plus up to so on plus A into R power of n minus 1. I will write directly the condition. Divided by the ratio of, as therefore divided by first n terms of a GP over to the sum of the term from n plus 1th term to n plus 1th term to. So nothing but here nth term of GP is A into R power of n minus 1. Here n replacement n plus 1. Okay, n replacement n plus 1 means A into R power of n minus 1 is equal to A into R power of n plus 1 minus 1 plus 1 get cancelled. What is the remaining? A into R power of n. A into R power of n. Yes, right. From the n plus 1th to 2nth term is ಅಂತ ಕೇಳಿದಾರೆ. ಎಸ್ ಓಕೆ, ಎಸ್ ಫಸ್ಟ್ A into R power of n plus A into R power of n plus 1 plus A into R power of n plus 2 plus A into R power of n plus 3 plus up to so on 2nth term, so means A into R power of 2n minus 1. Okay, clear? Yes, listen here. Yes, numerator as it is right, A plus AR square plus AR cube plus up to so on A into R power of n minus 1. Okay, as divided by here. What is the common term? Tell me anybody. What is the common term? Here R power of n get common outside. R power of n get common outside. What is the remaining? A only. Okay, but here R power of n plus 1 is there. R power of n plus 1 nothing but of R power of n into R only. Okay, A power of m into A power of n is equal to what, ma'am? A power of m plus n. Here R power of n into R power of 1 nothing but of R power of n plus 1. Okay, here tell me R power of n get common outside. What is the remaining? A. Here AR plus R power of n get common outside. R power of n into R power of n plus 1 can be written as R power of n into R power of 1. R power of n get common outside. What is the remaining? AR. Next AR square. Next AR cube up to so on A into R power of 1 R power of n get common outside. What is the remaining? A into R power of n minus 1 only. AR plus AR square plus AR cube plus up to so on A into R power of n minus 1. Okay, n minus 1. Here listen carefully. Yes, what is the numerator? A plus AR square plus AR cube plus a r power of 4 up to so on a into r power of n minus 1 divided by what is there a plus ar square plus ar cube up to so on a into r power of n minus 1. That get cancelled. Okay, get cancelled. Totally term get cancelled. Get cancelled, man. Totally it get, what is the remaining? Tell me. Yes, therefore 1 divided by r power of n. Yes, therefore tell me, yes, all of you right, hence proved. What is our target, ma? Show that the ratios of the sum of the first n terms of GP to the sum of the term from n plus 1th term to 2nth term is equal to 1 by r power of n ಅಂತ ಪ್ರೂವ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಿತ್ತು ಮಾ. ಹೌದಾ? ಎಸ್ ಆರ್ ನೋ? ಶೂರ್, 100%. ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಯು ರೈಟ್ a plus r sum of the n terms of GP. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಟು ದಿ ಸಮ್ ಆಫ್ ದಿ ಟರ್ಮ್ ಫ್ರಮ್ n plus 1th ಟರ್ಮ್ ಇಂದ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಯಾರು nth ಟರ್ಮ್ ಆಫ್ ಜಿ ಪಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ರಿಪ್ಲೇಸ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರಮ್ಮ ನಮಗೆ? ಆಸ್ n plus 1 minus 1 ಗೆಟ್ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ಸಲ್. ವಾಟ್ ಇಸ್ ರಿಮೈನಿಂಗ್? a into r power of n. Start from a into r power of n plus a into r power of n plus 1. Next plus a into r power of n plus 2 up to so on a into r power of 2n minus 1. In a denominator you get common. R power of n get common outside. What is the remaining? A plus ar square plus ar cube up to so on a into r power of n minus 1. The numerator denominator automatically cancel. Okay, yes, therefore what is the remaining, ma? As 1 by r power of n. Okay, what is our target? Prove that 1 by r power of n. As therefore, right, all of you right must and should be hence proved. Okay, as before start the next question number 25, 26, some wonderful concept is there. First I will discuss some concept. Okay, as a, b, c are in GP, then b square is called as, then b square is equal to ac. B is a geometric mean of a and c. Okay, small as first session, that means in previous sessions on 2 minutes alli explain madidema, but today's session is I will discuss briefly. Okay, as next question kinta munche, as before start the question number 24, 25, 26, a wonderful concept is there. As listen carefully. If A, B, C are in GP, first I will explain. Okay, first I will discuss the concept. If A, B, C, okay, if A, B, C are in GP, as in GP means the common ratios is equal. Okay, if B by A is equal to C divided by B. As for the next step, now cross multiply, therefore b square is equal to ac. Okay, if a, b, c are in GP, then b square is equal to ac, and also b is called as a geometric mean of a and c. Okay, as now today and also as now as one of the wonderful concept is there, I'm going to explain, I'm going to discuss the geometric mean. Okay, as geometric mean can be denoted by G into M. Okay, geometric mean is one of the very important concept. Geometric mean, all of you write note. Okay, as next I will write one by one. Okay, as b square is equal to ac, therefore as b is called as a geometric mean of a and c. And also listen here, I will take two numbers a and b, insert a g, inserting between two numbers a and b. This one also geometric progression. Here g by a is equal to b divided by g. Okay, the ratio a2 divided by a1 is equal to a3 divided by a2. Already you know that the previous concept. As now cross multiplied, therefore g square is equal to ab. G is equal to how much? Root over ab. Therefore the geometric mean of a and b is root over ab. Okay, means square root over nothing but of square root, means two numbers, geometric mean of a and b. Okay, similarly geometric mean of a, b and c means three numbers are there. Geometric mean of a, b and c is equal to therefore cube root over a, b, c. Similarly, geometric mean of A1, A2, A3, geometric mean of A1, A2, A3 up to so on An is nth root over A1, A2, A3 up to so on An is one of the very important point. The first one, if A, B, C are in GP, all of you write along with me also. Okay, if A, B, C are in GP, if A, B, C are in GP means geometric progression, okay, then B is called as B square is equal to AC, obvious. Then B is called as a geometric mean of. Then B is called as geometric mean of. Mean of A and B. Okay, the geometric mean of A and B. And also subnote, right note, if A, B, C are in GP, then if A, B, C are in GP, then tell me what is the condition? Yes, obviously B square is equal to AC. Okay, then B square is equal to AC is one of the very important concepts. ಸರ್ ಹೇಗೆ ಬಂತು ಅಂತ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗಲಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂತಂದರೆ ರೈಟ್ ಎ ಬಿ ಸಿ ಆರ್ ಇನ್ ಜಿ ಪಿ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ಸಿ ಆರ್ ಕನ್ಸಿಡರ್ as A1, A2, A3. Therefore B by A is equal to C divided by B. Now cross multiplied. Okay, therefore B square is equal to AC. Okay, yes. Next point, ma, if A, G, B, okay, yes. Next, the geometric mean of second, geometric mean can be denoted by second point. The first point is subnote. Okay, if geometric mean can be denoted by geometric mean can be denoted by GM. Okay, yes, already discussed the geometric mean A. The geometric mean of A and B is root over AB. The geometric mean of A, B and C is, tell me, cube root over A, B, C means 3 number up to so on. Similarly, the geometric mean of A1, A2, A3, A4 up to so on An is nth root over. Sir, ಹೇಗೆ ಹೇಳ್ತೀರಾ ಇದನ್ನು ಅಂತಂದರೆ ಲಿಸನ್ ಕೇರ್ಫುಲಿ. ಎಸ್, geometric mean of third point, ma, geometric mean of A and B is, so means A, G and B are in GP. Okay, so are in GP. Okay, therefore G divided by A is equal to B divided by G. Therefore that implies G square is equal to AB. G is equal to root over AB. Therefore G is called as a, therefore tell me, G is called as geometric mean of A and B. Okay, this is one of the very important concept. Similarly, geometric mean of A and B is root over AB. Okay, yes, therefore all of right, geometric mean of A and B is root over AB. Okay, similarly, next third point, yes, the geometric mean of 3 number A, B and C is, tell me anybody, just tell me all of you guys. Yes, come on, 100%, ma, very good answer. The geometric mean of A, B and C is cube root over A, B, C. Okay, geometric mean of A, B and C is tell me, ma, is cube root over A, B, C. Cube root over A, B, C. Okay, similarly, the geometric mean of A1, A2, A3 up to so on n numbers. Okay, the fourth point, the geometric mean of geometric mean of a1, a2, a3 up to so on an is nth root over a1, a2, a3 up to so on an. One of the very important point, very important, especially for CET, JEE also. Be careful. Okay. Listen, if A, B, C are in GP, then B square is equal to AC. Sir, ಅದು ಹೇಗೆ ಬಂತು ಅಂದರೆ that is proof. Okay, small proof. And geometric mean can be denoted by G into M, means GM. Okay, and also if AGP, if AGB or G is inserting between A and B, if G, A, G, B are in GP, then G by A is equal to G by B. Therefore, obviously G square is equal to AB. G is equal to root over AB. Therefore, G is called as the geometric mean of A and B. Okay, the geometric mean of A and B is root over AB. The geometric mean of A, B and C is cube root over AB. A, B and C, sorry, cube root over A, B, C. Similarly, geometric mean of, okay, similarly, geometric mean of, so means ಈ symbol similarly, okay, similarly geometric mean of a1, a2, a3 up to so on an is nth root over a1, a2, a3 up to so on an. The next point is one of the very important point, okay, so if n numbers, tell me what? Yes, a1, a2, a3 up to so on an are inserted between A and B. Inserted between A and B. N numbers are inserted between A and B. Then the resultant sequence is a formation. Then yes, A comma G1, G2, G3, G4 up to so on Gn comma B forms a GP. Then G1, G2, G3 up to so on Gn is called as a geometric mean in between the A and B, and the common ratio is R is equal to B by A whole power of 1 by n plus 1. It's one of the very important concept, especially for PUC 3 mark question, JEE 4 mark question, CET 1 mark question. Okay, it's one of the very important concept. In the previous session, if A and B, if A arithmetic progressions, arithmetic mean alli ಏನಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ವಿ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು, as the sum of the n arithmetic mean and also if the inserting between, ಅಂದರೆ means a1, a2, a3 up to so on an are inserted between n numbers are inserted between A and B, then the resulting sequence a comma a1, a2, a3 up to so on an comma B forms a arithmetic progression. Okay, if a1, a2, a3 up to so on an is called as a arithmetic mean of A and B, and the common difference is D is equal to B minus A divided by n plus 1. But here same procedure, but here the geometric mean, so means the geometric mean of A and B is as the common ratio is R is equal to B by A whole power of 1 by n plus 1. Okay, yes, you write first neatly the geometric mean, write heading, the first point, next first point tell subnote, next second point, third, fourth, fifth, third, fourth, this one fifth. Okay, yes, next write as if n numbers has listen re, the next point, if n numbers G1, G2, G3 up to so on Gn are inserted between A and B in such a way that the resultant sequence A comma G1, G2, G3, G4 up to so on Gn comma B forms a GP. Then G1, G2, G3 up to so on Gn are called as a geometric mean in between the A and B, and the common ratio is R is equal to B by A whole power of 1 by n plus 1. In previous session, arithmetic progressions alli A1, A2, A3 up to so on An are called as a arithmetic mean in between the A and B, and the common difference is, tell me anybody, Yes, 100%. Very good answer. Wonderful answer. As the common difference D is equal to B minus A divided by N plus 1. But here the common ratio is B by A whole power of 1 by N plus 1. Okay. Yes, I will discuss the proof. I will write here only. You first point number 6. First write note. Yes, line to line. ದಲ್ಲಿ ಬರೀಬೇಕು. ಬಟ್ ನಾನು ಸ್ಪೇಸ್ ಆಗಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಪ್ರೂಫ್ ಮಾಡಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಅನುಕೂಲ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತ ಒನ್ ಬೈ ಒನ್ ಲೈನ್ ಬರೆದಿದ್ದೀನಿ. ಬಿ ಕೇರ್ಫುಲ್. Yes, here G1, G2, G3 up to so on, Gn are inserted between A and B. Inserted between A and B means the two numbers. Inserted, then if n numbers inserted between A and B. Listen to it. Inserted between A and B. Okay. Here G1, G2, G3 up to so on Gn. Yes, half tell me anybody? Yes, come on guys. If nth term of GP, tell me anybody? Yes, nth term means An is equal to A into R power of n minus 1. Yes or no? But here, listen, here nth number G1, G2, G3 up to so on nth number. Okay? Clear? Yes, and also another and two number is also there. The first number and the last number. How many numbers? Two numbers. Which are there? A and B. Yes, how many numbers tell me? Nth number means A n can be. Here n and two numbers. Therefore n plus 2, A n plus 2 numbers. N replacement what ma? A n plus 2. Here nothing but of A into R power of n plus 2 minus 1, nothing but of. Yes, tell me anybody. A into R power of n plus 1. Okay, in generally. But here A n plus 2 is equal to tell me what is that? A n plus 2 is equal to what? B. Okay, the last number n plus 2 the number is equal to what ma? B. Listen carefully. A n means A into R power of n minus 1. But here n replacement what is there ma? A into R power of n minus 1. N replacement n plus 2. Therefore A into R power of n plus 1. Yes, right ma? Here, right, all of right here. A into R power of n plus 2 minus 1 is equal to B. A into R power of n plus 1 is equal to B. Okay? Yes or no? Therefore, R power of n plus 1 is equal to B by A. Yes, therefore, R is equal to B by A whole power of 1 divided by n plus 1 is wonderful proof. Okay? It's one of the very, very, very important also. It's one of the very important. Okay? Be careful. Yes, next, here where G1 is equal to what? The first number means AR square. What is the R value? B by A whole power of 1 by n plus 1. Okay, be careful ma. Here B. Okay, clear? As up to here understand, nth term means A into R power of n minus 1. But here n plus 2 ಯಾಕೆ ಬರ್ಕೊಂಡ್ರಿ ಸರ್? ನಿಮಗೆ ಮೈಂಡಲ್ಲಿ ಕಾನ್ಸೆಪ್ಟ್ ಬರ್ಬೋದು, ಡೌಟ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ ರೀ, ಸಮ್ ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ಸ್ಗೆ ಡೌಟ್ ಬಂದೇ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. nth means A into R power of n minus 1 formula. But here n plus 2 the term is equal to what ma? B. As n plus 2 substitute the formula A into R power of n minus 1. N replacement what ma? N plus 2. N replacement what? N plus 2. A into R power of n plus 2 minus 1. A into R power of n plus 1 only. Okay, R power of n plus 1 is equal to B by A. R power of n plus 1 is equal to B by A. Therefore, R is equal to B by A whole power of 1 by n plus 1. Okay? Yes. What is our target? The ratio find out ಮಾಡಬೇಕಿತ್ತು. Ratio R is equal to B by A whole power of 1 by n plus 1. Where G1 is equal to what? G2 is equal to what? G3 is equal to what? Therefore, G1 means, listen, G1 is equal to A into R. Therefore, where G1 is equal to, A into R. What is our value? Substitute here. Yes, A into B by A whole power of 1 divided by n plus 1. Similarly, G2 is equal to AR square. What is our value? B by A whole power of 1 by n plus 1. Here what is there? Into whole power of 2 means 2 divided by A into B by A whole power of 2 divided by n plus 1. 1 plus 1 divided by 1 plus 1 here whole square ಆದರೆ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ರೀ? Nothing but of 2 by na. Therefore 2 divided by n plus 1. Next G3 is equal to is one of the very important concept, ma. As in the previous session, arithmetic mean A1 is equal to A plus D. A2 is equal to capital A2 is equal to A plus 2D. A plus 2 into B minus A divided by N plus 1. But here A into B by A whole power of 2 by N plus 1 is one of the very important concept. Therefore, AR cube is equal to G3 is equal to AR cube. AR cube, tell me anybody? Yes, come on guys. Tell me. Yes, fine, very good. A into B by A whole power of 3 divided by N plus 1. Up to so on, up to so on, up to so on. Tell me. Yes, what is the next step? Yes, 100% right. Very good. Yes, Gn is equal to A into R power of N is equal to A into B by A whole power of N divided by N plus 1. Are you visible? Last step. Listen to here. A into R power of N is equal to A into B by A whole power of N divided by N plus 1. It's one of the very important concept. Okay. Yes, what is the common ratio? Here n numbers inserted between A and B, then G1, G2, G3 up to so on. Gn R card is a geometric mean of in between the A and B, and common ratio is equal to R is equal to B by A whole power of 1 by N plus 1. Okay. Yes, and here substitute here N plus 2 the term is equal to B. Yes, A into R power of N plus 1, R is equal to B by A whole power of 1 by N plus 1. What is the G1 number? The first number, so means AR. G2 means AR square, means A into B by A whole power of 2 by N plus 1. A into B by A whole power of 3 by N plus 1 up to so on nth number. Gn is equal to A into R power of N, A into B by A whole power of N by N plus 1. Okay. So hagadre here in the previous session, sum of the n arithmetic mean of means A1 plus A2 plus A3 up to so on is equal to what, ma? N by 2 into A plus B. Okay, n by 2 into A plus B. But here as the product of the n geometric mean, G1 into G2 into G3 into G4 into up to so on, Gn is equal to A into B, means AB whole power of, tell me anybody? Yes, 100%. Fine, very good. AB into whole power of n by 2. Okay. The next I will discuss proof also. Okay. Yes, write heading. Next first write ma fifth, sixth one note. First write the point. Yes, after that proof anta barkonbiಟ್ಟು ಬರ್ಕೋಬೇಕು. Okay. Next where G1, G2, G3 up to so on Gn. The next point, as the product of geometric mean is equal to G1 into G2 into G3 into up to so on. Gn is equal to, tell me, A into B whole power of n by 2. Has the product of geometric mean is A into B whole power of n by 2. How can we derive? Yes, listen. Here already you know that the G1 means AR. Okay. G1 is equal to, tell me, G1 is equal to AR. G2 is equal to AR square. G3 is equal to AR cube. G4 is equal to A into R power of n. Up to so on, Gn is equal to A into R power of n only. Okay, clear? And also, so the sum of the first n natural number, tell me ma, 1 plus 2 is one of the very important note, ma. In the previous session also I will discuss it, and also I will give note also. 1 plus 2 plus 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus up to so on plus n is equal to n into n plus 1 divided by 2. N into n plus 1 divided by 2. Where R is equal to, the common ratio, tell me R is equal to what, ma? R is equal to B by A whole power of 1 by n plus 1. ಈಗ ತಾನೇ ನಾವು ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ, ಡಿರೈವ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ. Yes or no? Yes, what is our target? The product of geometry mean is equal to what? The product of n geometric mean is equal to A into B whole power of n by 2 ಅಂತ ಡಿರೈವ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, our target. Okay, the first right here G1, G2, proof ma, proof G1, G2, G3 up to so on, Gn is equal to the product of, okay, the product of geometric mean G1, G2, G3 up to so on, Gn is equal to, what is the G1? Tell me first. Yes, AR. Okay, yes, AR. Next ma, AR square. Next tree AR cube. Next ma up to so on A into R power of n. Okay, A into R power of n. Here listen, the product of the n geometric mean is okay, here A power of 1, A power of 1, A power of 1, here also A power of 1 up to so on n numbers. Therefore obviously A power of n only. Here in the previous session A power of 1 plus 1 plus 1 up to so on plus 1, here n numbers, n term or n number. Okay, therefore obviously what ma? Yes, A power of n only. Okay, there are nothing but of n numbers are product of n geometric mean. Okay, 1 plus 1 plus, here write directly the A power of n. Here next term, listen ma, R power of. Here already you know that the concept A power of m into A power of n is equal to A power of m plus n only. Okay, yes, A power R power of 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 up to so on plus n. Okay, here sum of the first n natural number, what is the formula? N into n plus 1 divided by 2. Here, therefore A power of n into R power of sum of the first n natural number is equal to, tell me, n into n plus 1 divided by 2. Therefore R power of n into n plus 1 divided by 2. Here R power of, here A power of n, where R is equal to what? Tell me. Yes, A power of n is equal to, where R? Yes, R is equal to B by A whole power of 1 by n plus 1. How do you know that? Yes, where R is equal to B by A whole power of 1 divided by n plus 1. Okay, where R is equal to B by A whole power of 1 divided by n plus 1. Okay, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬರಿಬಾರ್ದು ರೂಲ್ಸ್ ಪ್ರಕಾರ. Yes, where R already know that. Yes, in the previous note. Yes, B by A whole power of 1 by n plus 1. R value whole power of n into n plus 1 divided by 2. You listen carefully. Listen carefully. What do they get cancelled terms? N plus 1, n plus 1 get cancelled. Yes. What is the next term? What is the next point? What is the next step? Tell me, anybody? Yes, you write first 1 plus 2 plus 3 up to so on plus n is equal to n into n plus 1 divided by 2, sum of the first natural numbers. Okay, next one. Here is equal to, tell me, A power of n get cancelled. What is the remaining? Only n by 2. Okay, B power of B by A whole power of B power of n by 2 divided by A power of n by 2. Okay, yes, therefore tell me, A power of n, next A power of minus n by 2 into B power of n by 2. You know that the simple logic here totally full ma, here half. Okay, full only half remove ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ what is the remaining? Half only. Here total n minus n by 2 means nothing but of n by 2 only. You take calcium, therefore A power of n minus, okay, here 2n minus n divided by 2, therefore n by 2 only. Here B power of n by 2, therefore A power of n by 2, B power of n by 2, therefore A into B whole power of n by 2. Therefore the product of geometric mean is equal to, okay, product of geometric mean. The product of n geometric mean is AB into whole power of n by 2. Is one of the very important concept, or nothing but of nth root over A into B. Okay, or nothing but of nth root over A into B. It's one of the very important concept. Okay, proof is not a proof is ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಅಂದರೆ, ನೀವು ಒಂದು ಪಕ್ಷ KVP ಎಲಿಜಿಬಲ್ ಆಗ್ತೀರಾ, KVP ಇಂಟರ್ವ್ಯೂ ಹೋಗ್ತೀರಾ, ಅಥವಾ JEE ಎಕ್ಸಾಮ್ ಆದಾಗ ಮತ್ತೇನೊಂದು ಇಂಟರ್ವ್ಯೂ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಆಗಾಗ ಆ ಟೈಮಲ್ಲಿ ನಿಮಗೆ ಪ್ರೂಫ್ ಬೇಕಾಗುತ್ತೆ. ಇಸ್ ಒನ್ ಆಫ್ ದಿ ವೆರಿ ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಪ್ರೂಫ್. ಓಕೆ, ಎಸ್ ದ ಪ್ರಾಡಕ್ಟ್ ಆಫ್ ದಿ n ಜಿಯೋಮೆಟ್ರಿಕ್ ಮೀನ್ ಈಸ್ n into root over AB. Yes, next the question number 26. Here already know that the nth number in between the geometric mean of in between the A and B is, yes, G1, G2, G3 up to so on, G and R called as the geometric mean of A and B. Okay, and common ratio R is equal to B by A whole power of 1 by n plus 1. ಈಗ ತಾನೇ ಪ್ರೂವ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ, ಡಿರೈವ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ. ಆ ಬೇಸಿಸ್ ಮೇಲೆ ಎಸ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ನಂಬರ್ 26 ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ ಇಸ್ ಒನ್ ಆಫ್ ದಿ ವೆರಿ 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 ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್. ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ 17 ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ 17 ಪಿ ಯು ಸಿನಲ್ಲಾದರೆ 3 ಮಾರ್ಕ್, ಜೆ ಇನಲ್ಲಾದರೆ 4 ಮಾರ್ಕ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್, ಸಿ ಇ ಟಿನಲ್ಲಾದರೆ 1 ಮಾರ್ಕ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್. ಬಿ ಕೇರ್ಫುಲ್. ಎಸ್ inserted 2 numbers, but here in the concept n numbers. Inserted 2 numbers means only as inserting a 2 numbers in between the 3 and 81, in between the 3 and 81, so that the resulting sequence is a GP. Okay, resulting sequence find out ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. As inserting a 2 numbers means 2 numbers only, G1 G2. Okay, only 2 numbers. Okay, first find out the ratio. Ratio is equal to R is equal to B by A whole divided by 1 by n plus 1. What is the B value? Tell me. Yes, 81. Okay na? What is A value? 3 only. Whole power of 1 by 2 plus 1 is equal to, yes, 3 1 ja, 3 2 ja, 3 7. So means 27 whole power of 1 by 3. 27 whole power of 1 by 3 nothing but of 3 3s are 27 whole power of 1 by 3, 3 3 get cancelled. Therefore the common ratio R is equal to, tell me anybody? Yes, R is equal to 3 only. ಯಾವ ಥರ ಫೈಂಡ್ ಔಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗ್ತಿದೆನಾ? R is equal to 3. Yes, here n numbers inserting between A and B, but here only for 2 numbers. ಯಾಕೆ ಸರ್ 2 numbers ತಗೊಂಡಿದ್ದೀರಾ ಅಂತ ಡೌಟ್ ಬರ್ಬೋದು ರೀ ನಿಮಗೆ. ನಾನು ತೊಗೊಂಡಿಲ್ಲಮ್ಮ, ಕ್ವಶನ್ಸ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಇನ್ಸರ್ಟಿಂಗ್ ಎ 2 ನಂಬರ್ಸ್, ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಇನ್ಸರ್ಟಿಂಗ್ ಎ 4 ನಂಬರ್ಸ್, ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಇನ್ಸರ್ಟಿಂಗ್ ಎ 5 ನಂಬರ್ಸ್. ಓಕೆ, 3 ಓನ್ಲಿ. ಹಿಯರ್ R is equal to 3. Here what is our target? Find the resulting sequence. The first number G1 means G1 is equal to A into R, G2 is equal to A into R square. A into R means what is A value? 3 only. What is R value? 3 only. Therefore the result is 9. Next 3 into 3 3s are 9, 9 3s are 27. Therefore the resulting sequence of a GP is, therefore the resulting sequence of a GP is, tell me anybody, 1 3 9 27. is one of the very 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 important 3 mark question. 3 mark question ರೀ, 3 mark question. J ನಲ್ಲಾದರೆ 4 mark question, C T ನಲ್ಲಾದರೆ 1 mark question. Be careful. The same question, example 17. Listen carefully. Here 2 numbers B by A whole power of 1 by n plus 1. Substitute here n is equal to, so n is equal to 2ನೇ ಯಾಕೆ ತೊಗೊಂಡ್ರಿ? 2 ನಂಬರ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ, 4 ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ 4 ನಂಬರ್ಸ್, 3 ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ 3 ನಂಬರ್ಸ್. 3 1 ja 3 27 ja 27 whole power of 1 by 3. 27 can be written as 3 cube, nothing but of 3 power of 3 cube whole power of 1 by 3. 3 3 get cancelled. Therefore R is equal to 3. As our target is G1 and G2. 3 into 3 9 and 3 into 9 27. Okay, yes, dear students, the next same question, example similar question to question number 26. 26 similar to example 17. Inserting a 3 numbers. Before the question, inserting a 2 numbers. Here a concept A comma G1 G2 G3 up to so on Gn comma B. Okay, inserting a n numbers, but here inserting a 3 numbers. R is equal to B by A. B means 256. Example, insert a 3 numbers 1 and 256. Okay, here B means 256. Sorry, B by A whole power of n plus 1. Okay, n plus 1 means here 3 plus 1 4 ma. 3 plus 1 4. So means 256 divided by 1 whole power of 1 by 4. 256 nothing but of 4 power of 4. 4 get cancelled. What is the remaining R? R value is 4 only. Here what is our target? Find out the resulting sequence of a GP. G1 is equal to AR. A into R means 1 into R means 1 into 4, 4 only. 4 square 16, 16 only. R cube means 64, 64 only. Therefore the resulting sequence of a GP is 1, 4, 16 and 64, 16, 64 and 256. Is one of the very 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 important question, especially PUC 3 mark question, JE ನಲ್ಲಾದರೆ 4 mark question, CET ನಲ್ಲಾದರೆ 1 mark question. ಓಕೆ ಎಸ್ ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು ಫಾರ್ ವಾಚಿಂಗ್ ದಿ ವಿಡಿಯೋ. ಎಸ್ ಈ ವಿಡಿಯೋ ನಿಮಗೆ ಲೈಕ್ ಆಗಿದ್ದರೆ ದಯವಿಟ್ಟು ಸಹ ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ಸಹ ಲೈಕ್ ಮಾಡಿ, ಶೇರ್ ಮಾಡಿ. ಹಾಗೆ ನಮ್ಮ ಚಾನಲ್ಗೆ ಯಾರ್ಯಾರು ಇವತ್ತಿನವರೆಗೂ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಕ್ರೈಬ್ ಆಗಿಲ್ಲೋ ಅವ್ರು ಕೂಡಲೇ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಕ್ರೈಬ್ ಆಗಿ. ಓಕೆ ಎಸ್ ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು ಫಾರ್ ವಾಚಿಂಗ್ ದಿ ವಿಡಿಯೋ.